Hello, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Shermin Arreglado. I am 41 years old. I'm living at Hacienda Faraon, Barangay Cabahog, Cadiz City, Negros Occidental. I am graduated as computer science for a vocational course, and I'm the third of the siblings. We are eight in the family, and I have one child which is 17 years old. I'm
Oh.
supposed to be next year. Hopefully, I could send her to college.
Okay. So, you are 41 years old, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, if you work in Hong Kong, who will help you taking care of your children?
My mother,
Your mother, okay.
Yes, sir.
How old is your mother?
62.
62, okay. So, she's healthy?
Healthy, yes.
Healthy, okay. So, do you have husband?
No.
No, okay. So you are single
Single.
mother.
Yes.
Okay, understand. How long you single?
17.
17 years. Okay. It's okay, it's okay. So I just want to ask you why you need to apply work in Hong Kong?
I need to apply to go abroad to send my child, my daughter, to college, hopefully next year, because now this grade 12, she will be graduated. Next year, she will be in college, so I need money to send her to school.
Okay. How many years you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as they need me, as long as they love my job.
Okay, so you can work longer
Yes.
in Hong Kong, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you have experience taking care of baby and children, right?
Yes.
Can you sing me two baby songs?
Sorry, two baby songs? Okay. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay, can I have one more song?
Happy bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Happy bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hi, hi, hop, hop, hop. Happy bunnies.
Okay, okay. Right, you need to learn more baby song before you work in Hong Kong, okay? So, now, you help me to use this one. Read the storybook with the children, okay? So, can you read, first, this one, 2 page, okay? 2 page.
Okay. This is a dinosaur. So, he has a little arms with soft pads on his feet, triangles along his back. They really do not meet. Dino brews and sing a song. I sometimes do the same. We love to laugh together, ha 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 ha, and play a little game.
Okay, very good. Okay. So, this is the bottle, okay?
Okay.
Can you tell me how you make the milk for the newborn baby?
For the newborn baby, this is first this is a 25 ml. So
Mm.
this is 1 scoop for 25 ml. You
Mm.
need to put warm water and a little bit of hot to make stir already the milk. And then after that, in a few minutes, you put in here and rub if it's okay to feed the baby already.
Okay. So, this is the baby, okay? You tell me how you hold the baby.
When you're holding the baby, you need to put like this so that it supports the back,
Okay.
support the legs, and
Okay.
especially to put like this in a row, like this.
Okay. Can you feed the baby?
For feeding the baby, you need to put like this, not doing like this or like this. You need to put here,
Okay.
and then after you finish,
Okay. Yeah. After finish, then what
you
will you
need
do?
to burp the baby. Put here, either you put here, make like this, rub the back, 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay.
If the baby is already burped, then put like this slowly because you need to support the back of the baby.
Okay.
Yeah, like this. Put the
Okay.
arms here and like that.
Okay. Wait, I want to ask you like what temperature the baby have fever or get sick?
For baby, of course, if there's a thermometer, you need to check. But if there's no thermometer, you need to put here your hand. If the baby is hot, and then if you know something happened, because you already know if the baby is not feeling well, she will cry, and he or she will cry and cry. Then you will know something not good.
Okay.
Make like this, and then take the thermometer and check. If 37.8, automatic there is a mild fever.
Okay. So if the baby have fever, then what will you do?
Of course, if the baby is fever, I need to let the mom first call that the baby is fever, so that the mother know that the child is fever, and then I'll ask her, and then I will try to ask if we will go to the doctor, or there's a tempra, a medicine for baby. I need to ask first the mom to let mom know that something not good for the baby.
Okay. How many months the baby first teeth will come out?
The month for the baby is also sometimes it depends. There is baby that late bloomer, like for the baby if the vitamins is good and the baby is healthy, it took sometimes 4 months. It's
4
coming.
months.
Yes.
Okay. So if the baby have teeth, okay, what food they can eat?
The food they can eat is usually for the baby. It's cereal, not vegetables. You will like blend it. Blend.
Okay.
Yes, like the food for baby for that is carrots, banana, squash. Yes, you make it like melted, very melted.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. So do you know how to take a shower with the baby?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Can you stay here? And then you show me how you take a shower with the baby. Okay, you
Okay.
stay inside. Yeah. So if you need to take a shower with the baby, what you will prepare first?
First is the water. Put warm and put little hot so that you will know that because if cold the baby, especially newborn, their body is not that ready for the coldness. So you need to put half warm water and little hot. Then try to make it if it's warm. Then the soap. It's need to ready the soap, the towel, and also they need to be ready here to put the baby before you put the baby. And then if putting the baby in the towel, you will not undress the baby. You will put like sample she has dress or sleeve. Just put the sleeve so that she will not easily catch by cold.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. You show me how you do
Yes.
that.
So this is the baby. We'll put him little bag. Of course, the baby will cry when you fill the water. So wrap the baby here, little by little. Put the water here, and then the soap. Well, the soap you need to support. Like there's the soap is here. Put little, but you need the importance of the baby is the back. Yeah, you put the soap here, and then rub here. Only little here. Don't put direct on the eyes because it will contaminate me. Maybe even it's a baby chemical. Sometimes baby is so sensitive. So you need to put here and here.
Okay.
And little by little, shower here the water. Like this.
Okay.
3 to 5 minutes maximum for the baby, especially newborn.
Why only 3 to 5 minutes?
3 to 5 minutes, sir, because sometimes if the baby is soaked in the water, they can easily catch by cold. Because their immune system is not that hard. It's like the same old.
Okay, good. So you put down the baby. And finish, you put down the baby. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you stay here. Okay. So I want to ask you, okay, if you work in Hong Kong, you share room with the baby. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how about the day off? If employer want you, maybe twice a month day off. Is this okay?
Try some.
Twice a month. Like,
yeah, it's okay, sir.
1 month, 2 times day off.
No problem for me, sir.
No problem. Okay. Understand. It's okay. Calm down. Okay. So this one here have some scenario question. Okay.
Okay.
Can you help me to random to pick three? Pick three. Okay. So can you one by one tell me what is the question and what is your answer?
If you and the employer have different opinions about how to take care for the baby or child, how would you handle it? First and foremost, of course, I need to listen to my employer because I need to follow them. And of course, if I will listen to her suggestion, and if I know that some suggestion cannot be understand, of course, I need to let her speak first. And then I will speak also.
Okay.
Yeah, not to argue because it's not good.
Okay.
Especially, I do respect her as my employer.
Okay, good. So how about the second question?
What would you do if the child told her mother, I like auntie more than like you? This question is, of course, since the baby is not with me, so that the baby could not feel anything to the mother. Every time, if I'm with her, since she was newborn until she grow up, of course, every time the mother is there, I let her feel that the mother is the first priority, not me. I always explain to her, and let also the child feel that I'm just only an auntie because mother is a mother. No one can change that.
Okay, good.
If a child asks difficult question like, why do you have to go to school? How would you answer? This is a good question. A child needs to nurture that schooling is very important to every children because in the school they will be more smarter. They can learn everything. They can also that when they grow up, they will know that be having a good school or having a good educational background can do nurture and can have a good job in the future.
Okay.
Yes.
Good. So you give me that. Okay. So the last question. Do you have any promise message to your future employer?
So my future employer, I hope they will like me, because I will do my job very well. I am determined, hardworking person, and I will love them. I hope they will love me too.
Thank you.